Here's my pen, only write bitter words for those who are dear to me. Is it love if I take your, is it love if I set you free? The ink flows down into a dark puddle. How can I write love into reality if I can't hear the sound of your heartbeat? What do you call love in your reality? And in your reality, if I don't know how to love you, I'll leave you be.
I wanna spend on you, but baby, I'll never get that chance to dance that romance with you. Oh no, 'cause you're always hitting, kicking, and putting me down. I hope you don't mean what you say, but I keep seeing you sticking around like you can't get enough, so I say, and I wonder how my hand would feel intertwined with yours. As of now though, nothing but closed doors. My girl's a daddy, sin daddy. Just saying hi gets me a punch in the face. And if I should compliment her, she starts to chase. Hey, that was a direct attack. Oh no, the wildcat found my hiding place.
Stupid tuna fish, take it back.
How am I a tuna fish?
How am I a cat?
Well, cats eat fish. You know what I mean?
Go here!
Can we get along? You're so headstrong.
There's no way, go away, not so long.
Just talk to me and you will see.
That's not fair, using flair, you dummy. I've got myself just a little bit of love that I wanna spend on not you, 'cause baby, I'm afraid you'll say that it's not okay with you. Uh-oh, 'cause you're always laughing and joking. You look like a clown, but I hope you mean what you say.
I do.
And I wonder what you would think if I let my pride down, let it sink. Could we hold hands, kiss, live our lives in gentle bliss?
We could.
I'm not talking about you. You're not my prince in this. I'm not a daddy, soon daddy. I have a jello heart. I'm not that mean. I'm not blushing. I was rushing and forgot the sunscreen.
Your smile is really cute though.
You'll never see it from underneath my pigtails.
Alright, I just wanted to let you know.
Hey.
Yeah?
Well,
Are you okay?
yeah. Well, Hey, are you free today?
Why do you wanna know?
It's not like I like you, okay?
Alright, cool. Where do you want to go? We could rent a boat and sail, find a bunny, and be eating some juicy kale.
No, that sounds really stupid.
Okay, well, how about a classy dinner by candlelight, or scary stories till midnight, so that I can hold you tight.
Get tuna flakes on me. No way.
Ba-da-ba-da-ba.
Okay, I think you're a little dense. I really don't like all this talk you have in the present tense. But, still listen here, buddy. It's all just a big fantasy you see inside of your head. No! So just say goodbye.
Whatever.
But, of you. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. For I can't help falling in love with you.
Billy.
What do you want from me? Why don't you run from me? What are you wondering? What do you know? Why aren't you scared of me? Why do you care for me? When we all fall asleep, where do we go?
Come here.
Say it, spit it out. What is it exactly? Your pain is the amount cleaning you out. Am I satisfactory? Today I'm thinking about the things that are deadly. The way I'm drinking you down, like I wanna drown, like I wanna end me. Step on the glass, staple your tongue. Bury a friend, try to wake up. Cannibal class, killing the sun. Bury a friend, I wanna end me. I wanna end me. I wanna end me. I wanna. What do you want from me? Why don't you run from me? What are you wondering? What do you know? Why aren't you scared of me? Why do you care for me? When we all fall asleep, where do we go?
Listen.
Keep you in the dark. What had you expected? Me to make you my art and make you a star and get you connected. I'll meet you in the park. I'll be calm and collected. But we knew right from the start that you'd fall apart, cause I'm too expensive. Your talk would be something that shouldn't be said out loud. Honestly, I thought that I would be dead by now. Calling security, keeping my head held down. Bury the hatchet or bury your friend right now. The debt I owe, gotta sell my soul, cause I can't say no, no, I can't say no. Then my limbs are frozen, my eyes won't close, and I can't say no, I can't say no.
Careful.
Step on the glass, staple your tongue. Bury a friend, try to wake up. Cannibal class, killing the sun. Bury a friend, I wanna end me. I wanna end me. I wanna end me. What do you want from me? Why don't you run from me? What are you wondering? What do you know? Why aren't you scared of me? Why do do you care for me? When we all fall asleep, where do we go?
Hate me, still tryna replace me. Chase me, tell me how you hate me. Erase me, wish you never dated me. Lies, tell me lies, baby, tell me how you hate me. I bet you don't kiss her with your eyes closed. I bet you're still walking on a tightrope. Miss me so much, you've been going psycho. You ain't gotta say it, baby, I know. It's a thin line between all this love and hate, and if you switch sides, you're gonna have to claim a place. So baby, this time you're gonna have to seal your fate. Yeah, baby, this time you're gonna have to seal your fate. And tell me how you hate me, still trying to replace me. Chase me, tell me how you hate me. Erase me, wish you never dated me. Lies, tell me lies, baby, tell me how you hate me. Hate me, still trying to replace me. Chase me, tell me how you hate me. Erase me, wish you never dated me. Lies, tell me lies, baby, tell me how you hate me.
Hate me, tell me how you hate me. Tell me how I'm trash and you could easily replace me. Tell me that I'm strung out, wasted on a daily. Probably cause there's no one around me.